well.
Don't in time to see what the weather was doing on this very day 75 years ago. Well, amazingly, it was very, very similar. We had cold northeasterly winds blowing. The best of the brightness was out in the west. I suppose the big difference is that for southwestern parts of England, the sun was shining that year. It certainly isn't shining this year because it's been a really wet morning down there. You can see on the local radar how that band of heavier rain has been spilling further east in the past few hours. In fact, looking at the southeast radar, we can see it now moving in just into the more southern parts of Hampshire and South Sussex as well, with some further drizzle to the north of that band. But the main influence of the weather over the next few days is going to be this large area of high pressure, and that is certainly going to be influencing the weather for right through the weekend. Pardon me, that's a bit of rust getting into the throat. So the high pressure is going to be dominating now for several days to come. The strong winds blowing as well, but the winds will eventually ease down a touch. So for the far south of England today, it's going to stay windy. In fact, gales through the English Channel, some more pockets of heavy rain too. Best of the brightness in the northwestern quarter. There could even be some sunshine on the western side of Wales. Now down through eastern Scotland and into northeast England, there could be the odd shower here, perhaps with a little bit of sleet up on the moors. And top temperatures today, well down on the weekend, around about 10 to 12 degrees, and with that wind chill, of course it's going to feel more like about 6 to 8 degrees. Now tonight's temperatures dipping away to about 2 to 5 typically, but still some rain in the far southwest. In the clearer weather of northern Scotland though, I think temperatures there could be as low as -4, with the winds dropping very light indeed. Tuesday we'll see very similar weather. I think if anything a little bit more sunshine breaking through, and temperatures around about 12 degrees. Still some rain in the far southwest of England, but I think the rain generally not as heavy as it's been this morning. And in the far north of Scotland, maybe towards the end of the day into Shetland, we'll see some outbreaks of rain returning there. But the high pressure is going to stay well in charge through Wednesday and through Thursday, so more fine and bright weather to come. That's it from me. Reminder of the weather show.